today, our lesson is based on vocabulary strategy. Our vocabulary strategy today is learning about idioms, which is a really fun topic to learn about. Okay, so yesterday we were learning about phonics and we learned about the long A sounding word. So one of our homeworks was to read a small paragraph which had lots of long A words, and then we had to write them all down here, and there were 17 words. So who would like to read this paragraph for everyone? Teddy, your hand was up first. Okay, Teddy, go ahead. Taking
a plane to Spain. To, today, my friend Tracy is going on an airplane to fly to Spain. There she will meet her friends at the lake. At the lake, she will also see a baby duck and maybe even an alligator.
good.
She hopes that
It
it will not rain. Later, she will go to the restaurant and use a tray to get her food. She will go home on a plane, but not the same plane. My friend may even bring me a gift. I can't wait until my friend Tracy comes back this way.
amazing. Really good reading, Teddy. Thank you. Okay, so in this paragraph, we have many long A words. The first long A word that I found was taking. Taking in the title, taking a plane to Spain. Now, who can tell me what are some other long A words that you found in this paragraph? Click the raise your hand button. But let's start from here. Let's go from here. Michael, can you tell me? What is the first long A word that you see starting here?
Today.
Very good. Well done, Michael. Today. Perfect. What is the next long A word that you can see? Leo?
Tracy.
Tracy. Very good. The name Tracy has the long A sound. Perfect. Next. What is next? Today, Tracy. What's the next word? Ooh, Sal, your hand's up.
Airplane.
Airplane. Very good. Well done, Sal. What's the next word? Kaki.
Spain.
Spain. Very good. The country in Europe. Spain. Well done, Kaki.
Oh
Okay,
my god.
what's the next word? There she will meet her friends at the lake. Nuna.
Lake.
Lake. Good girl. Well done, Nuna. And then after, what have we got after? Let's go for Tweety.
Rain.
So not rain. So we're here. Today she will meet her friends at the lake. At the lake, she will also see a baby duck and maybe even an alligator. So there are 3 more words before rain. And the next word is baby. Baby. So baby has the long A sound. Good job though, Tweety. Rain does have the long A sound. Okay, what comes after baby? So you have baby duck and maybe even an alligator. Let's go for kiwi. Kiwi.
Later.
Not later. So there's some before that. We've actually got 2 before that. No, 3 before that. 3 words before that. The next word is maybe. Maybe. Okay, what comes after maybe? What do we think? Okay, let's go for. See who's got their hand up. Lum.
My
Maybe even an alligator. What do we think?
alligator.
Very good. Well done, Lum. Alligator. Okay, she hopes that it will not rain. What do we think? Dammy.
Rain.
Rain. Very good. Well done, Dammy. Later, she will go to a restaurant and use a tray to get her food. Lekang. What do we think?
Tray.
Close. What comes before tray? Good.
Later.
Good girl. Well done. Later. Perfect. And then, as you said, the next one is tray. Perfect. We have later and tray. She will go home on a plane, but not the same plane. What do we think? Simon.
Plane.
Plane. Perfect. Well done, Simon. What comes after plane? Buh. Your hand is up.
Same.
Same. Very good. Well done, Buh. My friend may even bring me a gift. Ming Huang. Very
May.
good. Well done. May. Perfect. Well done, Ming Huang. Number 16. What comes after may? I can't wait until my friend Tracy comes back this way. Wei Ming has raised his hand. Wei Ming, can you help? Which word?
White.
Wait. Perfect. Well done. Thank you for giving them both. Wait and weigh. Well done. Perfect. Okay, so our next homework was to write as many long A words as you can. So what I'm going to do is I want everyone to go to the chat box. Everyone go to the chat box and I want you to type in as many long A words as you can. Go, 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 go. Go to the chat box and type, type, type. Perfect. I can see say, may, lay, say, pray, lake, clay. Perfect. So can is the short A. That's k, ah, ah, We could have cane, like candy cane, rain, stay, make. Perfect. Way. These are amazing examples. Ooh, basement. Very good. Crazy. Day, male, day. Good. Crane. Very good, swimming. That's a good one. Play, bay, main. Very good. There are so many. Let's have a look at the screen and see what examples we have. We have play, day, rain, train, snail, pale, pay, and ray. So well done, guys. I just want to say thank you to everyone who uploaded your homework. That is the following students. Okay, from 2E9, Mickey, Ming Huang, Noob, Sao, Leo, Quang Hai, and Kui Kang. Well done. And from 2E10, Dami, Zui Ming, Kaki, Michael, Bo, and Nuna. Very good job, guys. Thank you for uploading your homework. Make sure that you upload your homework to the Google Drive. Your parents will be able to help you do that. Okay, now let's get started on our lesson. So as I said, today we're learning about idioms of the world. Now, what are idioms? Let's find out. What are idioms? So, idioms are groups of words that cannot be understood by the meaning of each individual word. So idioms are expressions or phrases that don't make sense using when you look at each individual word. Why would we use idioms? Well, writers use idioms to make their writing more interesting and more similar to how people actually talk in real life. Okay? So let's have a look at this example. So, an idiom is a common phrase or expression that means something other than the literal meaning of the words. So, this sentence here says, she was feeling blue. Now, this sentence, she was feeling blue, that doesn't mean that she felt like the color blue, because that doesn't make any sense. How can someone feel like a color? Does anyone know what the saying, she was feeling blue, might mean? If I said, my friend is feeling blue, how do you think she might feel? Happy? Scared? Sad? Crazy? Excited? What do we think? Sal, what do you think?
Boring.
Boring? So not quite boring, but that's a really good guess. She
Sad.
doesn't oh, wait, sad. Very good. Well done, Sal. Perfect. It means that she was feeling sad. So if you say that someone is feeling blue, it's an idiom. It doesn't make any sense, she was feeling blue, but there is an expression behind it. The meaning means that she was feeling very sad. Okay? Really good job, Sal. Well done. Let's have a look at some more examples. Here we have an example. Today is his birthday, so he is on top of the world. Now, this doesn't literally mean that the boy is sitting on top of the world, because that would be impossible. What do you think it might mean? Any ideas? What do you think on top of the world might mean? If you feel on top of the world. Michael.
You are the oldest person?
Ooh, that's a really good guess. But no, not that you are the oldest person. That's a very good guess, Michael.
Okay.
Kaki, what's your guess? What do you think?
He is happy.
Perfect. Well done, Kaki. If you feel on top of the world, you feel extremely happy. You could say, today my parents are taking me to Disneyland. I feel on top of the world. It means that you feel ecstatic, so, so happy. Good girl, Kaki. Well done. Okay, let's have a look at another one. Maybe you've heard this before, maybe not. The test will be a piece of cake. What does that mean? Does that mean when you come into school, your teacher's going to give you a piece of cake to test? No, that's not what it means. What do you think this saying means? What do you think the test will be? Ruby, what do you think this might mean?
The test will be very easy.
Let's find out if you're right. Da 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 da! Very good. Well done, Ruby. Perfect. A piece of cake means very easy. So for example, maybe you would do a homework and you found it very easy. You could come into school the next day and say, oh, Miss Rachel, the homework was a piece of cake. That doesn't actually mean that I gave you cake for homework. It's just a saying to say that it was very easy. Good girl, Ruby. Okay, let's keep doing some more. Okay, who can read this sentence out to the class? Dami, please can you read this sentence?
My mom was angry, so she walked on
So
eggshell all afternoon.
So try again. My mom was angry, so I.
My mom was angry, so I was walking on eggshells all afternoon.
Very good. Perfect work, Dami. So have a look. My mom was angry, so I was walking on eggshells all afternoon. Have a look at the picture to help you figure out what this one might mean. What do you think walking on eggshells might mean? What do we think? Have a look at the picture to help you have a guess. So I'm going to lower all hands. If you think you know the answer, click the raise your hand button. Okay, quite a few. Lovely. Okay, let's go for Ba. Ba, what do you think walking on eggshells might mean?
Hard.
Hard, not hard. So good guess, but not hard. Nope. So I was walking on eggshells all afternoon. What do you think this might mean? Let's go for Kang. Kang, your hands up. Have a guess.
He's been punished.
Close. So not being punished, that's also a really good guess. Okay, let's have one more guess because idioms, they don't make any sense. So sometimes it's hard to guess. But my mom was very angry, so I was walking on eggshells all afternoon. So have a look at the picture. The person looks like they're treading very carefully. So walking on eggshells means being very careful. If your mom is really angry in the house, you will be very careful not to annoy her even more. You don't want to break anything. You don't want to say anything that might upset her. So you're walking on eggshells. It means that you're being very careful. Okay? Okay, let's have a look at the next example. It was raining. Actually, I want someone else to read. Tweechy, can you read this sentence for me? It was
Was raining cats and dogs, so I was soaking by the time I got to school.
very good. It was raining cats and dogs, so I was soaked by the time I got to school. So have a look at the picture. I can see cats and dogs are falling on this poor boy with an umbrella. What do you think this idiom means? Raining cats and dogs. What do we think? It doesn't literally mean that cats and dogs are falling from the sky, although that would be very cute. What do you think it might mean? It's raining cats and dogs. Let's go for Michael.
A very big rain
Very
and
good.
lots of damage.
Very good. Well done, Michael. Okay. It does mean a lot of rain. Raining cats and dogs means it's raining a lot. If it was raining cats and dogs, it would feel very heavy. So this is where they get that saying from. It means the rain is very, very heavy. Perfect. Well done, Michael. Okay. Let's have a look at the next one. Okay. Kwang Hai, can you read this sentence with me, please?
He never wants to play with us. He is a
Couch.
couch potatoes.
Very nice. Thank you, Kwang Hai. He never wants to play with us. He's a couch potato. So a couch is another word for sofa, something that you would sit on in your living room. What do you think the word or the phrase couch potato means? It doesn't literally mean that someone is a potato. What do you think it might mean? Let's go for Dami. Would you like to have a guess? What do you think couch potato means?
He don't want to go out the couch. He always sit there.
Very good. So someone who only wants to stay on the couch, how would you describe that person?
He always sit there
Good.
and watch TV or do anything.
That's perfect, Dami, okay? So someone who only wants to sit on the sofa, doesn't want to go outside, just wants to watch TV, they are a couch potato. They are a very lazy person. If someone is a couch potato, they are super lazy. They don't want to get up, they don't want to go outside, they just want to be very lazy on the couch all day long. Good job, Dami. Okay, have a look at this one. Who can read for me? I would like Lam. Can you read this sentence for me, or these two sentences?
He has this head in the cloud. He never know what is going on.
Perfect. Thank you for reading, Lam. He has his head in the clouds. He never knows what's going on. So here we have a little picture of a man with an extremely long giraffe neck, and his head's in the clouds. What do you think the idiom head in the clouds might mean? Let's go for, okay, Teddy. Teddy, can you have a guess?
I think this sentence means he is not listen to everyone. He always lets his head up in the sky in his imagination and never knows what are they talking about.
Very good, Teddy. Well done. So he's never listening to anyone around him. He's got his head in the clouds, so he doesn't ever know what's going on. So the answer is he's not paying attention or not listening. Good girl, Teddy. So if you have your head in the clouds, it means that your head isn't where it should be. For example, maybe we were in class and I can see someone looking out the window onto the playground. I would say, get your head out of the clouds and listen in class. It means that your head isn't focused where it should be. You're thinking about many other things and you're not paying attention. Good job. Okay, let's have a look at this little worksheet. So, on the left-hand side, we have more idioms. Time flies, hit the sack, to be in hot water, to be in the same boat, to get cold feet, on top of the world, cost an arm and a leg, break a leg, to be down in the dumps, and to add fuel to the fire. So here are 10 idioms that we have. Now, these phrases don't literally mean what they say. In fact, they've got a completely different meaning altogether. They are some of these meanings: to get nervous, to make something worse, very happy, very expensive, go to bed, good luck, to go by fast, to be in trouble, to be in the same situation, and very sad. Now I'm going to lower everyone's hands. So, number one, time flies. Does anyone know what this means? There actually is a saying that says, time flies when you're having fun. What do you think this means? Bo, can you match the idiom with a meaning? What does time flies mean?
To go by fast.
Perfect. Well done. To go by fast. So, for example, sometimes when you go on holiday, sometimes people would say time flies when you're on holiday, because a week on holiday when you're swimming and playing, it goes by so quickly because you're having so much fun. Okay, number two, hit the sack. Now, a sack, it can be what people used to call a sleeping bag. Hit the sleeping bag. What do you think hit the sleeping bag might mean? So a sack used to be called a sleeping bag, what people used to go to sleep in. So what do we think that might be? Dami?
Go to sleep.
Very good. Well done. Go to bed. If you hit the sack, you're going to your sleeping bag and you're going to bed. Well done, Dami. Perfect. Okay, number three, to be in hot water. To be in hot water. How would you feel if you were in very hot water? What do you think? If you're in hot water, your blood and you feel hot and you feel like you might have annoyed someone. Okay, Michael again. Yeah, go ahead, Michael.
To be in trouble.
Very good. Well done, Michael. Great guess. To be in trouble. So if you're in hot water with someone, you're in trouble with them. That means that, for example, if you get in trouble with your teacher for not doing homework, you could say, "Oh, I'm in hot water with Miss Rachel because I forgot my homework." It means that I might be yelling at you, "Why did you not do your homework?" And you feel very hot and very flustered. Good job, Michael. Okay, number 4, to be in the same boat. You and I, we're in the same boat. What do we think? Okay, Simon.
To be in the same station.
Situation.
System.
Very
Situation.
good. Well done, Simon. To be in the same situation as someone. So, for example, let's say we go running and we forget water to drink with us. I would say, "Oh, well, we're in the same boat. We have the same problem. We're in the same situation." Okay, number 5, to get cold feet. This one's a little bit difficult. So, some people get cold feet before they go in to have an exam. Before a test, some people get cold feet. What do you think that might mean? Kaki, go ahead.
Very expensive.
Not expensive. That's a good guess, though. So, to get cold feet means to get nervous. So, before a test, you might get cold feet. Okay, number 6 says on top of the world, but we already learned this one earlier. It means to be very happy. If it's your birthday, you'll feel on top of the world. Okay, number 7 says cost an arm and a leg. iPads, iPhones, and MacBooks cost an arm and a leg. What do we think? Okay, Zui Ming.
Expensive.
Very good. Very expensive. It's so expensive that it cost me my arm and my leg. Very good. Number 8, break a leg. Now, this one's always confused me. Break a leg is something that you say to someone before they do something. For example, if someone was about to go on stage and sing in front of thousands of people, usually you would say, "Break a leg out there." What do you think that means? What would you want to wish someone before they go on stage and sing? Dami, go ahead.
Good luck.
Very good. Good luck. Amazing. Break a leg means good luck. Break a leg out there. Okay, number 9, to be down in the dumps. You could say, "I miss going to school. I miss my friends. I'm feeling down in the dumps." How do you think you feel if you feel down in the dumps? Tweechy.
Very sad.
Good girl. Very sad. Amazing. And number 10, to add fuel to the fire. So if you add fuel to a fire, you make the fire bigger and worse. Jenny?
It very sad.
Not very sad, so we've had very sad. That's to be down in the dumps. To add fuel to fire means,
Making something worse.
yes, good girl, to make something worse. Perfect. Well done, Jenny. Okay, guys, so we're running out of time now, so let me show you your homework. Homework is a worksheet called Once in a Blue Moon. Once in a blue moon is another idiom. Here you have a small paragraph to read. Gary's baseball team won the district tournament and was going to the state tournament, which happened to be the same weekend his sister was performing in a play. Gary told his sister that he felt bad about missing her performance. His sister explained, "Don't worry about it, Gary. The chance to play in the state tournament only happens once in a blue moon. You can always come to my next performance." Gary decided to take advantage of the rare opportunity and go to the tournament. So what I want you to do is I want you to write down the parts of the paragraph that help identify the meaning of once in a blue moon. Then, in your own words, tell me, what do you think once in a blue moon might mean? Once you have figured it out, I want you to think of your own sentence using the words once in a blue moon. Okay? If you have a question about the homework, please raise your hand. Dami, go ahead.
What do another example do?
What is another example? It means I want you to write a sentence using the idiom once in a blue moon. Okay, guys, we have about 3 seconds left, so I'm going to say goodbye. Goodbye, everybody. See you tomorrow.